The Capstone program is very similar to a thesis, where it's a project-based class that's used for the Master's Engineering students. So pretty much we work with the Capstone team to basically lead a class that's a 2-quarter class, and we've been working with UCI for over 5 years. And essentially it's taking a project, coming up from the concept of the ideas, they develop the topics, and then we take it through the whole new product development process, or we call NPI process. Take it from the ideas, what they're thinking, to make it into an actual physical sample of it. They have to utilize Advantech product, but they have to ensure that it's a topic or a project that develops something for the betterment of the world or for humans.
Master of Engineering, which is actually professional Master of Engineering. Instead of thesis, students work on capstone projects. They work on actual practical work that is going to be beneficial for industry. That's the main difference, and that's why many students love Master of Engineering and they prefer to go to Master of Engineering over Master of Science.
When they're working on this project, they actually will form them as a team. There'll be the team leader, as well as each of the team members will have their designated roles. So trying to make this project come from their concept all the way to life, we try to mimic as much as what it would be like working a real-life job for that. In a sequential order of what you guys are doing.
Oh, yes.
Does that actually follow your Gantt chart?
Oh, no.
The challenges they had working as a team, they learn how to work with each other. I think that's a key part, because they have this end goal. And of course, it's their grade as well for that. So without this class, they need to pass it to be able to get their master's degree for that. But knowing that they came up with the ideas and created something into something physical, and then actually a prototype or an engineering sample, you see their drive to want to make it happen. And they knowing that this came from them, their ownership of that.
System is instead of the researcher, it does the 24/7 real-time monitoring. So inside here, we place the liquid on here. Then a lot of sensors are targeting to the liquid to track. This sensor data collected to the PCB and it goes to the network devices. Then it delivers to the Advantech ARC devices. Now through the UI, we can track everything in real time. Then through the camera, we can also see some object detection with the lifetime.
Advantech was one of the first companies that sponsored the Capstone project, and actually during that year, during the pandemic year, we had 2 projects with Advantech, one in winter and spring, and the other one in the summer and fall. After that year, every year Advantech sponsored at least one project for the Master of Engineering program. And this was really, really amazing, and I really appreciate the support that Advantech provided on behalf of the Master of Engineering program.
We are going to give this award to Advantech for being the gold sponsor for the 2nd year for sponsoring 6 Capstone projects.
We hope this program can bring up a lot of new innovative ideas, a lot of creativity from student teams in UC Irvine. Maybe some of this will become our new product ideas, or maybe the student teams, they will become successful entrepreneurs. And then in terms of the talent development, we see a lot of very talented students in UCI, and certainly we hope many of them will join Advantech. But more importantly, through this experience, we believe they learn a lot about project management, about leadership, about how to solve real-world problems. So they could become leaders outside of Advantech and just, again, benefit the whole world.
So success, to me, is either before graduation or immediately after graduation, they get a job offer, either from the sponsoring company or from the other companies or sponsors, based on their resume and the skill sets that the students develop. So that would be a great success.
Through this program, we have built a very, very strong connection with the UC Irvine students, faculties, and alums. We enjoy working with them very much. They are all very knowledgeable, very creative. We do want to expand this program to other schools and other organizations across this whole area and across the nation too. We have locations in different regions, different cities, and we want to expand this in different locations. Just build stronger connection between Advantech and all the local communities where we serve.